Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be selecting the winner of my giveaway. The winner will receive the Michael Kors handbag along with a few extra items from Vera Bradley to go inside the handbag. And of course, I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel, leaving really nice comments. I really appreciate it. And I like to show my appreciation by doing really nice giveaways. If you don't win this time, don't worry. Do not worry. We're going to do it again. The winner is Lachey or Lachelle. I might be pronouncing it wrong. We'll just go with Lynn. Lynn, you're the winner of my giveaway. You have 24 hours to claim your prize by sending me your physical address, your first and last name, to the email that is below in the description box. Thank you again for subscribing, and I will see you guys on Saturday in a new video. Bye.